In these days coming up, we try to implement this principle. Make a conscious note of it. When I get up for suhoor, I fix that intention in my mind. I mean, there's no special words to say, oh Allah, I am fasting for you. You do it from yourself in your own language. Prophet ﷺ didn't prescribe any specific words for intention for fasting. It's what comes from your heart in your own language. That you seriously, when you go into the suhoor, you seriously are intending a fast for Allah. And that will help us also to begin the fast properly, because suhoor is the sign of the fast. It sets the tone, the overall characteristic of the fast.
La ilaha illallah.